It's your boy DS Dan. I am back with a video for you guys. We got the Air Jordan 1 taxis on deck. I'm about to give you guys a detail review and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. Before we get into this video, all you guys out there, make sure you hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and also click the notification bell so you guys can be notified when I upload vids like these. All right, we got the Air Jordan 1 taxi, yellow toes, whatever you want to call them, on deck. All right, big shout out to Chicago Imperium. If you guys need kicks, man, definitely go check them out. I'm gonna leave their Instagram link in the description. We're gonna jump straight into this quick review, man. I'm gonna give you guys a quick overlook of these bad boys, let you know what I think of the quality and stuff like that. These were released overseas. They will release in the States sometime in September, but they did release overseas, so I was able to get a pair. We're gonna start off with the box. Take a look at the box. You got that nice yellow on the box with the Nike on it. Let's take a look at the size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Colorway is Taxi Black Sail. Inside the box, you got your regular white paper, and that is it for the box. This box is dope, though, I must say. Jordan Brand is doing their thing with the boxes. Let's jump straight into it. The whole shoe just features a nice leather upper, and the quality is pretty good, I must say. It ain't no shattered backboard. I'm gonna let you know that right now, because I seen images online that it looked like the leather was so amazing like the shattered backboards, but nah, it's okay. It's good leather, but it's not like the shattered backboards. Okay, all right, we're gonna start with the outer sole. All yellow outer sole with the Nike branded right there. Now the yellow on this shoe is not a yellow. It's like a taxi cab kind of yellow, but it's not like a yellow. Why Jordan Brand keeps doing that, I don't know. Bring us a real yellow pair, you know what I'm saying? Not like this, you know. But what are you gonna do? Still a dope pair. Whole shoe features a nice leather upper. We got that yellow hits, all right, with the black and white on the midsole that goes around the shoe. As you guys can see, we do got a black swoosh. Now the swoosh is in leather. Give you guys a close up. Yellow hits going towards the back and towards the upper. We do got the Air Jordan with the basketball on the wing in the black. Up here feels pretty good, nice and plushed. Now you do got the black going towards the front of the toe, like a black toe. Front of the toe box, the leather is nice. Got that nice tumble leather, perforated holes, nylon on the tongue, Nike Air. You guys can see it in the yellow. Now what's crazy is they do come with black laces. They don't come with any extra set of laces, guys, which is kind of like crazy. It's crazy. They should at least threw some white laces in here, man. Definitely. Let's get to the medial side of the shoe. Medial, same as the lateral. You got your yellow going towards the back, white on the midsole, your panel in the white, black swoosh in leather, and you got your black toe going towards the front. These is dope, though. I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm really feeling these. Back, yellow, black. You guys can see. I ain't gonna keep pointing out colorways when you guys can see. Now the back is pretty good. Leather's okay, you know, it's nice. And that's kind of basically it, man. You guys can see what the shoe looks like, but I'm gonna give you guys a quick on feet so you guys can see how they look and decide if you want to pick them up or not. I will rate these a 7 out of 10, you know, because if they would have gave us that real yellow, then I would have rated them definitely a solid 10. You know, but they gave us that, so I'm gonna rate them a 7. They're still dope. I like them a lot. I love Jordan 1s. As for resale, I do not predict these going for that much because there'll be a lot of pairs out there. Maybe later on they will go up in price. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you click that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up also for your boy. Let's get into this on feet, man. It's your boy DS Dan. I'm gone.